Welcome to Dubrovnik, Croatia, a city of timeless charm, historical marvels, and sparkling Adriatic seas. Known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, Dubrovnik enchants travelers from all over the world with its stunning architecture, rich history, and scenic landscapes. Nestled along Croatia's Dalmatian coast, this medieval walled city offers a journey back in time, yet brims with life and culture in every corner. A glimpse into Dubrovnik's history. Dubrovnik's story begins in the 7th century when it was founded by refugees from Epidaurus. Over centuries, it developed as an influential maritime city-state under the Republic of Ragusa. Known for its commitment to diplomacy, Dubrovnik flourished through trade, rivaling the power of Venice and maintaining its independence for nearly 5 centuries. Walking through the old town today, you can still feel the spirit of resilience and independence that defined Dubrovnik's history. The city walls, defenders of Dubrovnik. Our first stop is perhaps Dubrovnik's most famous feature, the city walls. Towering up to 25 meters high and stretching almost 2 kilometers, these walls were built between the 13th and 16th centuries to defend against invaders. As you walk along these stone fortifications, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of the Adriatic Sea on one side and the charming red rooftops of the old town on the other. Within the walls, you'll find historic fortresses like Fort Lavragenac, perched on a cliff outside the city walls. Known as Dubrovnik's Gibraltar, it was a formidable symbol of independence and today offers visitors stunning views of the city and sea. The Old Town, heart of Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a compact area filled with impressive landmarks, each with its own story to tell. The main street, Straten, is the heart of the old town and is a must-see. This limestone paved street, gleaming under the sunlight, is flanked by historic buildings, shops, and cafes that transport you to another era. Strolling along Straten, you will pass by Onofrio's Fountain, a symbol of the city's advanced waterworks system that dates back to the 15th century. Don't miss the beautiful Sponza Palace, an architectural gem with a mix of Gothic and Renaissance elements. It has served many roles throughout history, from a customs house to a bank, and today houses the state archives. Across from Sponza is the Church of St. Blaise, the city's patron saint. This Baroque-style church, adorned with intricate details and stained glass, is dedicated to the protector of Dubrovnik, reflecting the city's strong spiritual heritage. Dubrovnik Cathedral and religious heritage. As we move through the old town, you will come across Dubrovnik Cathedral, also known as the Cathedral of the Assumption of the Virgin Mary. This beautiful Baroque cathedral holds many treasures, including art pieces by renowned painters like Titian and relics that have significant religious importance, including the relics of St. Blaise. The cathedral's interior is a work of art, with high ceilings, grand altars, and a sense of serene beauty. Fortifications and Game of Thrones connection. Dubrovnik's stunning setting and unique architecture made it a natural choice for filming scenes in the popular TV series Game of Thrones. For fans of the show, Dubrovnik served as the backdrop for the fictional city of King's Landing. The walls, fortresses, and alleys of Dubrovnik became iconic parts of the series, and today, fans flock to the city to see these filming locations. From the Red Keep at Fort Lavragenac to the Walk of Shame on the Jesuit Staircase, there are many spots throughout Dubrovnik where fans can relive their favorite moments from the series. Island escapes, Loch Rum and beyond. If you're craving a quick escape from the city, hop on a ferry to Loch Rum Island, just a short distance from Dubrovnik. Loch Rum is a lush, green island filled with gardens, rocky beaches, and historic ruins. According to legend, Loch Rum is cursed to anyone who tries to claim it, adding a mystical element to its beauty. While on Loch Rum, you can explore the 12th century Benedictine monastery, visit the botanical gardens, or swim in the Dead Sea, a salt-filled lake that's a popular spot for relaxing. Beaches and coastal beauty. Dubrovnik's coastal charm is undeniable. The city's beaches, with their crystal clear waters and pebbly shores, are perfect for relaxation after a day of sightseeing. Banj Beach, located near the Old Town, is one of the most popular beaches and offers a view of Dubrovnik's iconic city walls. For those seeking a quieter spot, Adriatic Beach is a hidden gem, offering a more secluded atmosphere and stunning views of the old town from a distance. Cuisine, a taste of Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik's cuisine is a delightful blend of Mediterranean flavors, fresh seafood, and traditional Croatian dishes. While in the city, try some local specialties like black risotto, made with cuttlefish ink, or pika, a slow-cooked dish made with meat or seafood and vegetables. Don't forget to sample local wines from the Dalmatian region, as Croatia is known for its impressive wine heritage. The narrow streets of the old town are filled with cozy restaurants and canobas, where you can experience authentic Dalmatian hospitality, festivals, and cultural life. Dubrovnik is a city that loves to celebrate its rich culture and traditions. Every summer, the Dubrovnik Summer Festival brings the city to life with performances of music, theater, and dance held in open-air venues around the old town. During this time, Dubrovnik feels like an open stage, with its historic buildings and charming plazas becoming the setting for lively events. Another beloved tradition is the Feast of St. Blaise, celebrated every February 3rd, when Dubrovnik comes together to honor its patron saint with processions, music, and celebrations that date back more than 1,000 years. Sunsets and scenic views. As the day draws to a close, there's no better way to end your time in Dubrovnik than by catching the sunset. One of the best places for a panoramic view is Mount SRD, which can be reached by cable car from the city. From here, you'll have a sweeping view of the city, the Adriatic Sea, and the surrounding islands, all bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. Watching the sun dip below the horizon from this vantage point is an unforgettable experience, capturing the magic and allure of Dubrovnik. Farewell to the pearl of the Adriatic. As we leave Dubrovnik, we take with us memories of this enchanting city, its proud history, breathtaking views, and warm spirit. Whether you're exploring ancient fortresses, soaking up the sun on a beach, or simply wandering through the narrow streets of the old town, Dubrovnik offers an experience that lingers long after you've left. Dubrovnik isn't just a destination, it's a journey through time, a celebration of heritage, and a place where the past and present intertwine. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Dubrovnik, a city where history meets the sea, and where every street tells a story.